Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to customize templates in revid.ai. So I will be on official page which is revid.ai templates. You can search for on Google, and after here you will the perfect template for your video masterpiece. So you can just select it template, any template for your e-commerce business, for ad runs on social media. Example, I will just tap on it social media. So here is the template, or if I just use it, you will see. So I want to use it, I will just tap on it, simply use template, and the template will be preparing for me. So we can wait for a moment. After loading, I will tell you the next procedure. So here the wait is over. So you will see here is the video. When I just plays it, okay. So how to edit it? If I want to change the color of this introduction, I will go in the slide and simply choose this color circle, and I want to color like blue, and here you will see it will changed. So this is, you can just customize your background color, and you can also, if you want to add some text, you will just write it here, extra text. And if you want to add AI video or images, you can also add it from here. You can add a new media, you can also choose from your desktop easily. You can also add an audio with background music. So here is the voiceover assist, generate voice sound effects, and this is, you can just simply customize. There are many options, you will see: frame, text, video, sticker, animation, sound effects, and overlays. So this is, you can just customize your own adjustment in templates in revid.ai. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.